Do you know who I am? Have you any idea who I am? Yes, it's been quite a while, and it's so good to see you again. It's so dark in this place that I can't see your face. Make believe, oh I see. Does you know who I am and what was between you and me? Do you know how I tried? Have you any idea how I tried not to keep you inside? Do you know, darling, how much I cried? I remember you said that you had to forget about me and be free. Do you know who I am, or have you forgot about me? Do you think there's a chance you and I could start all over anew? Is that a pray you still care, or has it just been too long and we're through? Well, what about you and him? Or he's only a friend? Well, I see there's still a chance for me. Maybe some other time, in some other place, with love in your heart and a smile